Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. Well, it's very easy thing to do. So here you can see this is my timeline of my Premiere Pro and I will crop a clip of my video. So I will just zoom it out to just check the clip, right? Now here this is my clip. So for example, I will select this clip here and here you can see that it is going, right? It is in a simple, a very little bit zoom. Right, but if I just want to crop it out, I will just select the clip here. This is motion, this is effect control. If you're not able to find your effect control, you can just go to Windows here and make sure there's a tick mark beside effect control. So if you select a clip, then only you will able to see all the control regarding this your clip, right? So if I just go and select this clip, it will show me different controls. I mean same controls, but for this clip. So this is the clip I just want to crop it out, right? And so here you can see this is scale. So when I just click on scale, I can just zoom this clip, right? As you can see here, it is zooming right now. But if I just want to crop it out, it's very easy thing to do. This is effects, same thing. If you're not able to find the effect option, go to here in the Windows and you will able to see that there's a tick mark beside effects, right? So here there is a effect of crop. So I will just click and hold and put it over my clip. Now once I put my this crop option over this clip, you will see a different option which will show this is crop, right? So this is a crop. Now I just want to crop my video from left side, right? So I will just click and hold and I will just increase it out. So right, for example, I just want 50-50, so this is here. If you just want, you can also write, for example, it's 50 or whatever the percentage you want, right? So same way you can just crop your video from everywhere. For example, it's from top, it's from bottom, right? And so this is how you can crop. For example, if you want to move your video, you can just go to the motion here. You can just do it with your mouse. You can also do with your position, right? So this will move your video, it will not crop it out. To crop it out, you have to select and drag this crop option or crop effect to your clip, right? If you want to maintain a key drop or basically keyframes here, for example, I just want to make sure that these here from left to it should go to the center. So I'll just click here, keyframe here, and now for example when I just move to this part of the video, it should be 50%, right? So I can just do it with my mouse or I can just even write 50%. Now when I just play this clip, it's 100% right now, and just check it out, right? So this is how you can crop your videos in various manner. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.